So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add that custom forms on your Shopify account. That being said, if you're watching this with your MacBook and trying it out with your MacBook, of course, it's going to be the same process, so please stay at the end of the video, okay? So let's get started right away. First things first, I want you to log into your account. So this should be the one you're seeing right now. This is the landing page, right? Basically, I want you to click on Online Store. And under Online Store right here, there's going to be Theme Options. Make sure you're going to click on Themes. And once you're here, I want you to click on Customize. Now wait for it to load a little bit. Now since I already added a contact form earlier, I'm just going to remove it for discussion purposes so I can take you step by step. So this should be the landing page of my website. Pretty simple. This is a dummy account, by the way. So let's get started. Simply click on Add Section right there. Type in Contact. And that's going to be my contact form added up. Click on it and it will be automatically added on my website. Make sure to click on Save over here to make sure you save the changes made. Now that's going to be step 1. Another thing that I do is go back to the website, or rather go back to the landing page, because I want to show you how I do it step by step. So once you're back on your landing page, I want you to click on Application section. It will give you a search bar right here, right? I want you to type in MailChimp. Now since I already have it installed on my Shopify account, it will be looking like this. So if you don't have it installed, simply click on it and install it on your Shopify account. Make sure they are synced, okay? So once they're synced, they're good to go. Simply click on this green button that says Continue to MailChimp. So once you click on it, you'll arrive on this landing page of MailChimp. It will ask you to create an account. Simply use your Google account and you're good to go. So once you're here, I want you to click on Create. And then you'll have options for regular email, automation, or landing page. So since this is only for custom fonts or custom forms, I'm just going to click on Sign Up Form right there and click on Embedded Form. Click on Begin. And then basically click on Finish later on. Once I click on Finish later on right there, it will arrive on this landing page, okay? So I don't have to edit properly and go back to Create. Since I already saved that form earlier, I'm going to go back to Create. Click on Sign Up Form again. Click on Embedded Form. Click on Begin. Now this is going to be just a reset from what I did earlier, so click on Continue. Because earlier I clicked on Create, right? Or Finish later. Now I'm going to click on Continue. Click on Copy Code right here. Make sure you're going to see this code copied on your computer. Go back to Shopify and go back on Online Store. Now since earlier we click on Themes, right? Now I want you to go on Pages. Now you're going to look for Contact Form, that one you added earlier. Click on it and simply click on this option that says Show HTML and simply place it, the one we copied earlier. Click on Save. Now if you want to check what we did earlier, there we go. You're going to see this custom contact form. Pretty neat, right? That's going to be the second option. Now this is the third option, just an additional. If you stayed at the end of the video, this is going to be for you. Basically, you can just edit manually. For example, I'm just going to remove this one. For example, I'm just going to insert a table right here. And then basically contact form. And then send us a survey. Basically, the limit here is your imagination. So it's really going to be up to you how you do this one. Number. Example +1. And then it's going to be 639, etc, etc. Now just gonna click on Save, and this form will be reflected on my website. And that's how you add the custom forms on your Shopify account. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.